Subscribe to my channel PRIKNOWtomakeit and click on the bell icon to watch my latest videos first.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, this is the first paperback starburst I have uploaded 2 years back, and you all have given so much love and support that it reached more than 300k views. So thank you so much for that. And this year I have decided to make the smaller version of this because it's not only easy but also very less time taking, and it looks very cute and vibrant. So let's get started. To make this, you will need a piece of paper which measures 9 by 15 centimeters. Here I'll mark at 2.5 centimeters from both the sides. I'm making creases with the help of scale and toothpick. Now I'll fold the paper by following these two lines. This time I have made a very simple template because it's a very small paper and we cannot do much designs on it. So by using this template I'll cut the paper. Likewise, I'll cut 4 more papers. And I'll fix it with glue. Finally, hold it for a while when you are joining end to end of the paper. So after finishing, this is how it looks. And for this one I have used a very thin paper which is very delicate to handle, but it looks very nice. The color contrast is very nice, so because of that I used. For the purple and neon green I have used 5 papers, and for the orange I have used 6 papers. I hope you have enjoyed this video and you will try to make it for your Christmas decoration. And if you really like this video, then don't forget to click on the like button and share this video with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel because it's free, and click on the bell button so that you will get the notification as soon as I upload any video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.